Welcome to Chris Farms and Extension Services alias Chris Farm Nigeria. Today I want to talk about battery cage installation, more especially for your imported birds. But for the foreign, we do foreign cages, we still do fabricated, local fabricated cages. So anywhere you want us to do for you, we can do for you. This is just a partition for an imported battery cage. Each of them comes on 4 dividers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 per 1 row. You can see 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Each of them has what? 6. So let us do 1. You lose it. You lose it, then you partition them. We want to start the partition on you. So partition. Okay, it's off. Then you pick the first one. Put it here. First of all, you see 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. That means you start here. 1. Start here. 1, 2. You put it here. Partitions. Or this is a complete cell. This one here again. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. This one over 1, 2, and finally 1, 2. This is how to partition what a battery cage cell. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for 120 capacity. It's on 5 cells and in 3 tiers. This is just how to do the partition. So you can call us on 080 36 92 57 18 if you're in Nigeria. If you're out of Nigeria, you just dial +2 3 4 80 36 92 57 18. Again, +2 3 4 80 36 92 57 18. You call us on for your battery cage installation, for battery cage repair, for battery cage supply, both the locally fabricated ones, both the imported ones, either for galvanized, hot galvanized, either for cold galvanized. So after partitioning this, you get the cover. Let me get one cover for you. This one cover. Okay. Sorry. You see, we now have a complete cell. Then all you need to do is to start pinning them one after the other to get a complete cell. So one of our engineers will come to pin these things easily for you in our next video. Thank you once again for choosing Chris Farm Nigeria, and you'll be glad you did whenever we render any service to you. Thank you. Be our first caller today. The number again is 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, just dial +2 3 4 80 36 92 57 18. Be our first caller today. Thank you.